Hello friends, now we are going to see about photoelectric effect. Photo means light. The effect of light on electrons is explained in this photoelectric phenomenon. This was explained by Hedge. He conducted an interesting experiment in which he took a metal plate. He passed a certain light with certain frequency onto this metal surface with certain frequency. Then he observed, interestingly, some electrons are ejected from that metal surface. So this phenomenon of ejection of electrons from the metal surface by passing certain light onto that he called as photoelectric effect. On these electrons ejected out, he called as photoelectrons. Here the energy required by the metal surface is differed from metal to metal. That depends upon the ionization energy of the atoms of that metal. If you take different metals, the energy required to eject these electrons will be differed. Suppose we have passed an energy E onto the metal surface. Then out of this total energy E, certain amount of energy is utilized by the electrons to overcome the nuclear force of attractions and to come out from the metal surface, to be ejected from the metal surface. That energy is called as threshold energy. Let us represent as E naught. Let us consider this as a total energy. Out of total energy, certain amount of energy is utilized by the electrons to overcome the nuclear force of attractions and to be ejected out. And the remaining energy will be converted into the kinetic energy of these electrons. That can be represented like this. This we can say photoelectric effect equation. So in terms of frequency, if we write this, total energy, if we consider as h nu, out of which certain frequency is utilized to overcome the nuclear force of attractions by these electrons to come out, that we can say as threshold frequency. The minimum frequency required to overcome the nuclear force of attractions, or the minimum energy required by the electrons to be ejected out from the metal surface, is called threshold frequency. If that energy, if we say in terms of energy, threshold energy, and the remaining energy is converted into kinetic energy of those electrons. We know kinetic energy is given as half mv square, where m represents mass of that electron and v is the velocity of that ejected electron. These we can say photoelectric effect equations in terms of frequency as well as energy. So here we can understand the phenomenon. When a light of certain frequency is made to fall on the metal surface, electrons are being ejected from the metal surface. These electrons are called photoelectrons, and this phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. This will be easily done and it can be performed very easily on the metals which are having lower ionization energies. Those can eject the electrons by passing with light energy with a lower frequency also. For example, mostly taken element is cesium, because it is one of the first group elements which are having very low ionization energies, and that too among them also it is having the least ionization energy. So by passing the energy with the lowest frequency also, it can eject electrons very easily. So this experiment can be performed very easily with this metal. Mostly it is done with that. Photoelectric effect is done with cesium frequently.